Well, goodbye to St Helena on March 18. We've enjoyed our time here. Well, there's no wind to sail by, but as you can see, it's not unpleasant. So little movement here, you can relax quite comfortably everywhere. One interesting thing that we noticed here is that St Helena is causing the clouds to form in its lee, but basically everywhere else around the horizon is fairly clear. So I suppose during the night we'll sail out of this cloud band. When we left the island it was absolutely overcast. And now we can see that's just a local effect. Anyway, the sun's getting ready to go down on our first day. First partial day at sea. No wind to speak of. Well, it was fun to put the asymmetric up by myself, like in the old days. And I've left the main up as well. It seems to be happy enough that way, so as long as the asymmetric doesn't start to complain, I will leave it like that. Beautiful day. This is one of the nicest days we've ever had on the boat. It's a gentle wind off the starboard quarter. Not much in the way of wave action. And this has actually been promised for the next number of days into the future. So we're hoping that that will maintain. We're heading about 330 degrees magnetic. It's 500 and some odd miles to the first waypoint. Now under that, of course. Yeah, and that's just a turning point to keep in the keep out of a central low wind area. We're going to be making a curve around to the north and then more to the west. We have two waypoints dividing the trip into basically into thirds, roughly, to get us to Cabedelo, and we'll enter the river there and go up the river a short distance to Jacare. Now the 20th of March, and it's another perfect day of sailing. There's a whale there.
I think there's two of them there.
You can see a bit of a fin every once in a while, and that's about it now. But when I came up, there was a shape definitely under the water.
He had his head up out of the water whenever I was coming up.
Probably taking a look to see what we were. Well, that's the first whale we've seen on this passage.
Yeah. Could you tell what kind of whale at all? Or?
I don't know my whales, I guess.
Well, when you yelled just as the boat was heeling really strongly, we thought that was why you were yelling.
Yeah.
Did you turn the boat or something? Or?
No, I haven't touched the boat.
Oh, okay. So it was just coincidental.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see him now anymore.
Nope.
I'm wondering if it was a whale shark, you know?
No, it was a whale.
Were they blowing? Because I haven't seen it blow.
It didn't blow, but it definitely, I mean, I've obviously seen whale sharks up close.
Yeah.
Personally.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Besides something that reaches the surface, it's got to be a whale. Sharks, they don't need air.
No.
Whales do.
No, the reason I said that is I saw that lazy fin, or that lazy thing on the surface like that.
Yeah, I saw it too.
Him. It's running now. It's running.
Okay. I can't even see.
You're the same.
Yep. Okay. You tamed the beast.
What?
You've tamed the beast. Okay, well, I guess I need to ease the halyard so you can bring it down, right? All right.
Everything's disconnected.
Thank you. Everything's disconnected.
Hold on.
Something on there like a split ring. It still is, but I'm afraid that if it's pulled on, it's just going to make it.
So what are you doing down there, Brian?
Huh?
What are you doing down there?
I'm trying to get this filter off.
Is it not working?
Not coming.
You don't have any more leverage on it than that?
Well, I don't want to break it either. It's only plastic.
Yeah, but you're using plastic on it, right?
Yeah, well, I'm going to... Can you hand me that wrench there? I'll try to use the wrench on it. Thanks. Why it's always so tight.
You going? Is it not reverse threaded? Is there a lock on it?
Don't use that anymore. That's going to damage it. There's no lock anywhere or anything you have to loosen?
No, it just always has this problem. Well, maybe I have to do the other one first. I don't have to do this one, but maybe after this one comes off, that one comes off more easily. Alright.
No like release valve at the bottom of it?
No, there's nothing. I've had this off many times.
Okay.
It's just always hard. I don't know why. I'll take that wrench again and I'll try it lower it down on the casing. Thanks. I don't know.
Are you worried it's going to break?
No, it is just plastic. But I'm putting quite a bit of pressure on it.
So you want to explain maybe for your audience why you're doing all this?
Well, the watermaker is showing a high rate of dissolve, a high level of dissolved solid, so I have to try to clean this filter, and I think it's possible that there's a dirty filter in here I have to get out.
So you finally broke it loose with the channel locks.
Yeah, March 29. This is a Sirocco on way to Port Elizabeth. It's the one of the ports in South Africa that we bypassed. I did some work on the watermaker today. Tried to clean it out. Had actually very little success with that. It's showing about 1,400 parts per million. Dissolved solids. Tastes fine though. Was able to get rid of that slightly dead fish taste out of it. And it's quite clear. So I think we're probably going to still use it anyway. I have to email the company when we get to Brazil and find out a little more information about what else can be done, rather than buying a new membrane, which is probably what's going to have to be done in Grenada. Anyway, you can see the wind is dropping off now. The wind's supposed to be getting lighter and lighter as we approach. We're just a little under 400 miles now from Cabedelo, and hope to get there on Monday. Going to be a squally night, so we're going to take the big boy down.
March 30. We're getting there. Peaceful or what? Lovely day. Finally, some sun, light winds, no rolling, and just a silence that you can hear when I'm not blabbering. Okay, we'll see how this works.
It's stretching.
Yeah, it does.
It's stretching.
Well, that's a good thing to keep a handle on that. That's good. That's the thing to do. How is it?
I like it.
He likes it.
Mikey likes
I'm on
it.
the wrong end because I can feel the heat from the motor on this side.
Yeah, well, that's true.
You could be on the other side.
Yeah.
God, this is nice.
All right.
If there was a nice wind out here. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to try the other side.
Okay.
See if it's cooler. See if I can get in this time.
Yeah, I'd still hang on.
Oh yeah, that's better. That's so much better.
Oh, that's the life.
Hey man, I need a Cuba Libre.
All right.
That's what you get for reading about Cuba, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting there. Terrible rainy day. Got some buoys coming up here. I'm not, well, according to the chart, red is supposed to be on the right. I'm not sure about South America, if it's which standard it's on. Anyway, I have to research this more. Yes, red to right returning. City rabbits. There's a first glimpse of South America. Looks like an old fort, and down here in the port we've got some ships. We're heading up the Rio Paraya River.